I wanted to take you on a quick walk through just ahead of construction. We got some great news Friday, a couple of days ago, that all the permitting is done, all engineering is done, the contractor and all of his subs are ready to go. So this is the outside of what we're calling the apartments. It's basically a duplex. One of the units will be 2-bedroom with a lockout, and each unit will have its own separate kitchen and bath. There'll be a large covered screened-in porch right here that will connect it all together with a common entrance. Our first contractor back in the summer we hired to do the demo got started with it and did some of the openings and then just vanished. But we've got a new contractor now. We're real confident that he's going to do a great job and get the process going now. So we're several months behind where we'd like to be, but you know, sometimes things just happen that way and you can't get too upset about it. We'll be adding a kitchen and a bath, and there will be a wall here with a lockout option. And this will be another bedroom with a small kitchenette and a bath. Right now they have vaulted ceiling and we have these clear story windows. Those windows are going to go away. The vault ceiling will keep, but we're going to drop it down a little bit. And as you can see, everything's been pretty much demoed. There's not much of that left. This is going to be the 1-bedroom unit, and it'll be a little bit larger, just under 600 square feet. Will be a 1-bedroom with a separate living room and kitchen. And again, it also has a vault with clear story windows, and those windows are going to go away. So they're going to be really nice spaces. Now, all these windows were cut in by the previous contractor. So our new contractor's got to finish that up. Then we have our guest house, which isn't quite adjoining. There's a small space separating them. These used to be dog kennels. We took all that out. They were raising dogs here at one point. I guess they were Doberman pinchers or something. So this was the kennel. And we're making it into a garage. So we took all those cages out, all those doors out, and we cut a door in for the garage door. This will make a really nice 1-car garage. And there'll be utility, and there's room to add a bathroom as well. This is going into the main part of the house. The house is going to be 2 bedrooms. And all these interior walls have already been demoed. And the windows have been cut and the doors have been cut. It's a great space and I can't wait to get it finished. Right now it's got a flat ceiling, but we're going to vault this. Let's step outside here just a second. You can see there is a real high gable end here, so there's plenty of attic space. So we're going to vault the ceiling up to create a little sense of space. And then we're going to add a really nice porch. We demoed this entire wall. So all the way across will be a porch, a nice big screening porch facing the west with a big overhang looking out to the paddocks and the trees. So it's going to be a beautiful space. And we're calling this the guest house. John, our dear friend, as you've seen already on the videos, will be living in this house. And then we'll have the yard outside. We'll have to fence this in for Scruffy and Don's dogs, but it's a really nice, pretty space with nice shade trees. So we're excited. We'll be getting this started. I'm hoping in the next few days, and then we'll start concentrating on that aspect of our farm project.